Hi, and welcome to the new video, Adding Nagios Users. In the previous video, we installed Nagios. In this video, first we will create the user account, then reconfigure Apache to use system authentication for Nagios, and finally define a contact for the user and add the user to the admin contact group. Nagios automatically creates the Nagios admin user with full access rights to the system. But if you're operating in a larger environment, you will likely want to provide additional user accounts for other users to connect to. This will allow you to use a finer-grained access control as well as making your life easier as employees come and go in the company. Now let's see how to do it. Create the user account using htpassword etc nagios3 htpassword.users. Alternatively, you can reconfigure Apache to use system authentication for Nagios by editing etc apache2 config available nagios3.config to read in these lines of code. Define and contact the user by editing etc nagios3 config.d contacts underscore nagios2.cfg. Add the user to the admin contact group. Restart Nagios 3 using sudo service Nagios 3 restart. Nice. Now we'll see how it works. There are two pieces to this configuration. Authentication. This just refers to the process of confirming that a user is who they say they are. Nagios leaves authentication to the Apache process. The stock install leverages Apache's htpassword tool to manage a file, which defines a set of usernames and passwords. You can instead choose to tie Apache into another authentication source like Active Directory, LDAP, or just use system authentication like the one we did in the WebDAV example. Authorization. This defines what the given user has access to do. The default configuration allows any authenticated user to access the web UI, but content about actual hosts and configuration is restricted to users who are given access rights. There are several ways to grant access to a given user, etc nagios3 cgi.cfg. This is the way that the Nagios admin user gains its access rights. Among other configuration settings, this file contains variables that define who is authorized to access system information, configuration information, system commands, all services, all hosts, all service commands, or all host commands. Within a service definition, you can specify either a contact or a contact group defined within etc nagios3 config.d contacts underscore nagios.cfg to give rights to. Within a host definition, you can also choose a contact or a contact group. Between these three options, you have good flexibility for defining both who has access rights to monitor assets and who should be notified for predefined alerts. Nice! In this video, we added Nagios users. In our next video, we'll be adding Nagios hosts.